Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Lock&Lock is probably one of the most essential kitchen companions, offering a versatile solution for food storage. From leftovers to meal prepping, these containers promise to keep your food fresh and organized. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right set? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Lock&Lock, exploring their features, and helping you decide if they're the perfect fit for your kitchen. Number 5. FineDine 24-piece glass meal prep containers. These containers are made of premium borosilicate glass, known for its durability and clarity. They are perfect for everyday use, and a popular choice for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Keep your meals fresher for longer with the Airtight seal. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, maintaining flavor and freshness. Simplify your cooking and reheating with these oven and microwave-safe containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Whether storing large meals or organizing your pantry, these stackable containers meet all your storage needs. Their sleek and efficient design allows for easy storage, maximizing space in your cabinets and fridge. Prioritize your health with these BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. What we like. These containers are made of borosilicate glass, which means they're incredibly durable and can withstand extreme temperatures. This makes them perfect for meal prepping and reheating leftovers. If you're looking for a versatile and long-lasting storage solution, you should consider this. What people say. They are solid locking lids. The glass is very clear and looks and works great. The lids do not seem to retain smells from foods that it has been stored in them. Number 4. Vtopmart 7-piece airtight food storage containers. Start your day with an organized kitchen. These containers make it easy to find what you need quickly. They help you organize your pantry effortlessly. This set includes various sizes to meet your needs. It's perfect for storing flour, sugar, rice, and other dry goods. You can keep everything organized with this set. The containers are made of clear, BPA-free material. You can easily see what's inside without opening them. This feature saves you time and effort. The containers have a special sealing mechanism. You can easily open and close them with just 2 fingers. This design keeps your food dry and fresh. The set comes with 24 reusable labels. They help you avoid confusion between similar ingredients. You can change the labels as needed. Please remember, these containers are not dishwasher safe. It is recommended that you wash them by hand. This will help maintain their quality. What we like. These containers help you organize your kitchen and pantry. With different sizes, you can store various items like flour, sugar, and snacks. If you like a tidy and well-organized pantry, you should consider this. What people say. These containers do exactly what they are supposed to. I love that they come in different sizes so I can organize my food items based on the quantity used and stack them so that I can see everything at a glance. They have been so helpful in keeping our pantry organized. Number 3. Glasslock 18-piece oven-safe container set. Introducing the Glasslock 18-piece assorted oven-safe container set. This set includes a variety of shapes and sizes to meet all your food storage needs. These containers are safe for use in the oven and microwave, making meal prep and reheating easy. Remember, only the glass containers are oven and microwave safe. The containers are designed to be airtight and leak-proof, ensuring your food stays fresh and secure. This feature is perfect for storing leftovers or packing lunches. Made with your health and the environment in mind, the set is BPA-free and recyclable. You can feel good about using these containers for your food storage. With 18 pieces, including 9 containers and 9 lids, you'll have the perfect size for any meal. From large rectangles to small rounds, it has you covered. Please note that while the glass containers are oven and microwave safe, the lids are not. The lids are made of polypropylene and should not be placed in the oven. What we like. These containers are oven safe, which is a huge convenience for cooking and reheating. The airtight and leak-proof design ensures your food stays fresh and secure. If you are looking for a versatile set for all your cooking needs, you should consider this. What people say. They are very easy to clean. I throw them in the dishwasher. They have a stackable design. I haven't been particularly gentle with them or treated them like they're fragile. I've not seen a single shard of glass this whole time. They do a brilliant job of keeping food fresh. I've started chopping a lot of my veggies when I buy them and storing them ready to use in these because they keep and stay crisp so much longer. Number 2. Lock&Lock Easy Essentials 14-piece food storage. This Easy Essentials set offers a smart solution for your kitchen storage needs. It includes multiple containers in various sizes, perfect for organizing your food. The containers feature a unique 4-hinge locking system, tested for durability. This ensures the product's long-lasting performance, and it's backed by a lifetime limited warranty. The enhanced silicone seal keeps food fresh longer. It's also 100% leak-proof, preventing any unwanted spills, making it ideal for transporting food. You can store your food with peace of mind. This product is BPA-free, ensuring healthy and safe food storage for you and your family. It's a versatile storage solution for your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry. The product is also microwave and dishwasher safe, offering convenience in your daily life. What we like. These containers feature a unique 4-hinge locking system, ensuring a secure and airtight seal. This keeps your food fresh and prevents spills. If you have a busy lifestyle and need reliable storage, you should consider this. What people say. They have a good tight seal. I really like that everything in this set is the same size. It is very easy to stack them. The ones I currently have are at least 15 years old, I believe. I have put them in the dishwasher all along. Number 1. Lock&Lock Easy Essentials 10-piece food storage. This Easy Essentials set includes various sizes, from 68-ounce to 6-ounce containers. They conveniently nest together, saving space in your kitchen. The unique 4-hinge locking system is built to last, tested for up to 3 million uses. It's so reliable, it's backed by a lifetime limited warranty. The enhanced silicone seal is 100% airtight and leak-proof. This keeps food fresh longer and prevents any spills or messes. This container is BPA-free, providing peace of mind for healthy food storage. It's a safe and reliable choice for your family. This set provides a convenient, all-in-one storage solution. It's perfect for use in the refrigerator, freezer, and pantry. What we like. These containers are designed to nest together, saving valuable space in your cabinets. The airtight seal and durable locking system keep your food fresh and secure. If you are looking for a space-saving and reliable storage solution, you should consider this. What people say. They stack perfectly on my wood utility shelves from a Swedish home store. The gaskets really keep the smell in and moisture out. The lid latching mechanism works easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.